So, hello everyone. Today we're going to review this particular book uh, that is for senior secondary mathematics, class 12, and it is from Aggarwal. Let us see the book. So, the first thing what we will see on the book is from Bharata Publication and Bhavan, and it is a widely used book. We have the syllabus of relations and functions, algebra is there, we have calculus, we have vector and three-dimensional geometry. We have linear programming with us. Probability is there. Now let us understand this syllabus from here. That's relations, functions. We have topics like relations, functions, binary operations, inverse trigonometric functions. So trigonometric functions are introduced in grade 11th. Here we will understand about inverse trigonometric functions. And then we have algebra. In algebra, matrices will be introduced for the first time. Even determinants also will be introduced here. Adjoint and inverse of a matrix again is related to the same, and system of linear equations is there, which is a very basic part we study in grade 9, 10th, 11th also. Here we'll use the matrices way how to solve linear equations with the help of that. Differential calculus is there. So we have the basic introduction in 11th grade itself. Here we have continuity and differentiability, and apart from that, we have differentiation, which is you can say a lot of terms of differentiation with the chain rule. It is there in the syllabus, and applications of derivatives is very highly useful, I would say, as per the practical life scenarios. So there's a huge usage of that, and a very important chapter, application of derivatives. We have now integral calculus, which is used here. Indefinite integration, where the limits are not there. Methods of integration, different integrals are there with us, different functions in there, how to integrate them. We have discussed it here. Some special integrals are also discussed here whenever the forms are not appropriate. Integration using partial fractions, which is the very important part whenever we are not unable to integrate any function. In that case, it will be highly useful. Definite integrals obviously will have limits for that. Area bounded region. So we generally have area of bounded region between line in a x-axis, a curve and x-axis, then between two curves, and between two curves and x-axis is also there. So we have here after that differential equations and their formation. This is the basics of that. Differential equation with variable separable. Again, slightly more depth we are reaching here. Homogeneous differential equation just a category, and linear differential equations will also study. In the vector algebra, a lot of things are there. Firstly, vectors and their properties, which know the basic properties of that in the previous classes or lower classes. Scalar or dot product of vectors. So that is important for us. Cross product of vectors and product of three vectors. That is also there in the syllabus. Three-dimensional geometry, fundamental concept of three-dimensional geometry. So two-dimensional geometry we are aware with till grade 11. We have studied everywhere. And right now here the three-dimensional geometry will be introduced. Straight line in space and the plane. In probability we have studied a lot of things beforehand, but here we'll study again the probability, and the equation quality will be much better. Bayes theorem and its application will be there for us. Probability distribution is there and binomial distribution is there. And apart from this, we have linear program. So we have 33 chapters. I can say the syllabus is very wide.